What I really think is that the people will detect a lot in presenting data. So what they will do is they will be very creative in showing relevant connections in the data, of visualizing things, because we are not using this instrument in the right way. If you look, for example, at data in a more or less a single presentation, you have a lot of data without relationship, then it's very hard to understand the pattern behind. If people bring the pattern together in a way that you can understand relationships, and if you would do it in the right way so that the perceptual organ and the perceptual part of the brain is best used, then you can really see things. There's some artist, for example, the German artist Klee, said, "I have become an artist by being able to see the world like Klee is seeing the world." So he was going through the world, and the world was like his pictures. He was seeing the way how he sees the world. And what he did is he just put these patterns on the surface and he was just painting it down. And this is what I really think is not used the best way up to now. To get these special data like cultural data, maybe we find some new method, maybe it is on the more neurophysiological way that the picture-giving procedures like MRT or whatsoever is even developed more, and we can look a little bit more in the brain, then this is more or less a physiological question maybe. But at the moment I'm quite satisfied to do it with language, because this is for me the easiest access, and it's 1.5 hours and it's not too expensive. If I do computer tomography, it costs me $2,000 or something, or €2,000 per measurement. This is hard stuff. So, there may be development even in getting the right data. But I think the biggest change will be in presenting data. Because the internet is producing data in an absolutely enormous way. Yeah. And the people ready to visualize the relationships between these data will be the absolute winners. I said, hey, the really big new business models and the real big positive things in the next years will be in analyzing these data and presenting the data in a way that it may be basis for decision-making processes. So the real business models will be reducing complexity by pattern formation.